Hello, 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 and welcome to Money Sprinkles, where we talk about personal credit and business credit. If you have not liked and subscribed to my channel, please take a minute and do it at this time. I am thrilled that my channel is growing, 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 and with you subscribing, you will make it grow even faster. Okay, so without further ado, let's talk about what today's video is about. Today's video is about balance transfers and what are balance transfers and what can you do with these credit cards that offer these balance transfers. Well, for one, I was reading that currently the economy is going, of course, we all know we're in a recession, so therefore everybody's using the credit cards and a lot of people are maxing them out. They have these high credit payments, so credit card payments. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give you the opportunity of learning about the best balance transfer credit cards that you can apply for. So you could go on ahead and get rid of these high balance credit cards and transfer them down to either a 0% interest or a lower interest rate. So you could get ahead and start paying these off and get your utilization down. So again, what is a balance transfer? A balance transfer is when you take your current balance on your credit card and you transfer it over to a new credit card that is offering an introduction APR, annual percentage rate, for that credit card, normally of 0%. The trick about it is that they only give you a time frame where you have to pay that credit card off. Right now, I'm going to give you some that go from 15, 18, and as far as 21 months. So you would have to pay that credit card off in that time frame. Some of them do have a balance transfer fee. Actually, most of them have a balance transfer fee, and that is so they could go on ahead and make up for that use of that credit card that you're making because they were not the initial credit card that you made that purchase on. So they kind of have to get their monies. You know, everybody has to dip into the pot, so that is their way of getting their money back. So the first credit card I want to talk about is the Discover It. The Discover It currently has zero annual fee. Currently, the data point for that is about a 690 credit score to, of course, to an 850. Um, Balance transfer fee is about a 3% of the balance that you're carrying over. And right now, they currently have a promotion of 0% intro APR up until 18 months. So that's a good time. That's a year and a half that it gives you to pay off that credit card or whatever that balance fee that you're transferring over. The second credit card that I'm going to discuss is the US Bank Platinum Visa. They currently offer a 20-month 0% intro APR, and they have a balance transfer fee of 5%, 0% annual fee. And it's currently going out, I said 20 months, but it's somewhere around 18 billing cycles to 20 months. So it could be 18 months, it could be 20 months, depending on when you actually apply for this balance transfer fee and it's accepted. The next one we're going to discuss is Citi Double Cash. Citi Double Cash currently excellent credit card, offers 2% when you make a purchase, and then in addition to that 2%, you also get an additional 1% of Citi thank you points when you make that payment. They currently offer a 18-month 0% APR. Again, no annual fee. So Citi Double Cash is a really good credit card to have. Um, Wells Fargo Reflect Visa. They currently offering a 21-month 0% APR intro, and the credit score for that is approximately a 690 to a 850. We also have some minor credit cards, or I wouldn't say minor, but they are also they just don't go out as far out as the other ones with the 18, 20, 21 months, but they currently offer about a 15-month intro APR, 0% APR, zero annual fees, and of course, their balance transfer fee fluctuates in between 3% and 5%. You have the Wells Fargo Active Cash, currently has up to 15 months to repay it. Otherwise, the regular APR rate kicks in, which currently these APRs are starting pretty high. So you definitely, if you're going to do a balance transfer, you definitely want to get in there and pay it off within the allotted time of that 0% APR. Otherwise, you're going to be paying a lot of interest. Or if you stack the credit cards correctly and you cannot pay it off within the 21 months, then you go ahead and get another credit card, apply for it that has another 0% APR intro rate, and roll over that APR into the next one. So you could do that approximately, and you could probably take, between 24 months to 36 months to pay off the credit card, depending on your balance. But it's doable. So what I'm saying is that if you do not have all these credit cards and you can apply for them and you qualify for them, don't waste them by applying for them all at once. Go ahead and get one, do the balance transfer, get the next one, roll over what you cannot pay within the allotted 21 months or whatever that you have for that 0% APR, roll it over into the new credit card. So now you paid off that one, and now you have a new 0% APR in this other credit card. So basically, if you do it smartly, it can be done. Another credit card that's offering a 0% introduction APR with a 15-month rate of payment is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Again, their data points is 690 to 850 credit score. And last but not least, we also have the Citi Custom Cash. Same thing, 0% APR intro for up to 15 months. Again, the key thing about the balance transfer cards is that make sure that you are paying your payments on time, no late payments, because the minute that you have a late payment on a 0% intro APR, that automatically cancels that 0% and it kicks in at the regular percent of that credit card. So if you currently have a 0% APR for 18 months and you are late on the second payment, that credit card is going to revert to an 18.99 APR if that is their current starting APR, and your 0% is completely wiped away. So it's important that you keep track of what you're paying, when you're paying it, and how you're paying it. I would definitely recommend getting like a spreadsheet and writing down when your payments are due. Make sure those payments are made without hesitation on a timely basis, because again, they could go ahead and just pull back that 0% APR interest rate, and then you will be right back to square one with a high interest rate and paying a lot to that credit card company for interest that you shouldn't be paying anything on. So I hope this video has helped you, and if it has, please make sure you comment in the description box below. Also, while you're commenting, make sure that you give me some ideas and some suggestions of what you want to hear, what you wanted me to make a video about, okay? And again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Talk to y'all soon.